Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a driver's side mirror on a Toyota Sienna. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a 10mm socket, and a trim removal tool. Make sure you have your new mirror assembly ready. Always begin by parking your vehicle on a level surface and turning off the engine for safety. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient replacement process. Now, let's remove the old mirror. Begin by gently prying off the interior trim panels and covers, revealing the screws underneath. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove these screws. Once the panel is loose, carefully disconnect the electrical wiring harness that powers the mirror's functions. Finally, use a 10mm socket to remove the 3 nuts holding the mirror assembly in place, then carefully remove the old mirror. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install your new one. First, carefully thread the new mirror's electrical wiring harness through the opening in the door. Next, align the new mirror assembly with the mounting studs and secure it firmly using the 3 10mm nuts. Once the mirror is physically attached, reconnect the electrical connector to ensure all power functions, like adjustment and heating, are operational. To complete the installation, reattach the interior door panel and all associated trim pieces, ensuring they snap firmly into place. Double-check that all screws are tightened. Before hitting the road, sit in the driver's seat and test the new mirror's power adjustments to confirm it moves correctly in all directions. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals. This final check ensures your new mirror is fully functional and ready for safe driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.